Okay, so you want to build smart contracts that are as solid as a rock, right? No logic bugs, no hiccups, just smooth sailing. That's where clean architecture comes in. Here's the deal. Logic bugs are like those pesky termites that can eat away at your code. They can be super sneaky and hard to find, but they can cause serious problems if they are not caught early on. So how do you build a smart contract that's immune to these bugs? First, you need to think about your architecture. It's like having a well-organized blueprint for your code. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Keep things separate. Do not mix up your business logic with your data access or user interface. Think of it like having a different rooms in your house. Each room has its own purpose. Use clear and concise code. Make sure your code is easy to read and understand. Test, test, test. Write unit tests for each part of your code to make sure it works as expected. Use a linter. A linter is like a grammar checker for your code. It can help you catch potential problems before you even compile your code. Follow best practices. There are a bunch of best practices for writing secure and reliable smart contracts. Do your research and make sure you're following the latest guidelines. By following these tips, you can build smart contracts that are less prone to logic bugs and more likely to stand the test of time.